I am on State Highway number 15, and it's been since morning that I've been riding my bike continuously, and here I am in Gujarat. One of the most spectacular view that you could come up on the roads and see is out here on State Highway number 15. You could see mountains and terrains, all greenery around, as well as a stream passing by just behind me. And that has all happened on my lovely Passion Pro. Now she is the one who's got me all the way from Mumbai till here. So it's been a great journey. I just felt that I should start something like this because I got a little tired and bored with the regular work that I had been doing all the while. So I thought, let me give a try and try out something that I had been doing it earlier. Let's go for a bike ride. When it's a road and it's you always will have the best coming out of you. And the reason I planned for this trip is I was of strong intention that let me relive the things that I used to do before, and for many years I haven't done so. So here I am in Gujarat, State Highway number 15, with this lovely place as you could see all around. Thank you very much. See you. This is the craziest thing I would ever do. I'm on 500 feet up in the air. I'm scared, but living up to the best I could. Take out some time for yourself so that you don't feel lonely or boredom. There's always fun. And remember, not every day is Diwali, so when you have an holiday, plan up accordingly. All the best. This is super scary when you look here. You can see right here. It is up and down. So,
ये तीसरे का बैच किया हम लोगों ने। हाँ उसमें बाकी में का एक हो गया इमीडिएटली निकल जाते एक ऐसे निकलता है
15. Seems that it is halted.
ये बोलते हैं ये है ना बीच में है ना इसलिए ये लोग 3 साथ में रहता है अलग अलग में मुझे वो मिशन करता है ना
बड़ा है 3 जन बैठ सकता है 6 जन।
So Prabhata everybody. It's a joyful and a pleasant morning, and I am here at my hotel room here at Vani, and I am going to take you to another one journey that will perhaps be the end of this today's session. Because when we go and travel to a place, you should always travel and visit that space which is very much popular. So here's my hotel room. It's a smaller one. I negotiated with the person and was able to pay only 500 rupees. I think that was a good deal, at least for one person, to spend just a night. Stay tuned. I'm going to take you to a joyful ride on this wonderful occasion of this festive season. And now this is the beginning of the second day. I'm at the Vani village. If you see the road that is going this side, that will take you to Gujarat, and if you go from this way, you see that takes you to Nashik and Nashik National Highway, and the place that I'm heading to is on the right hand side where my journey will commence right away. So be there with me. I'll take you to another place that I was really wanting to visit for a very long time indeed. Now this is the first halt of the day, and I thought that let me show you how beautiful the Mother Nature has crafted every single piece that she has gifted to us. Now this place shows how beautiful the world is. Take a look at this. Take a look at this side as well. I've been riding for quite some time over here for 7 kilometers, and I found lesser vehicles on this road because it is early morning, and that's the privilege. When you go on early morning ride, you find the roads usually vacant. So let's take up the best of this journey. Once there is an intervention of human and we make or we construct roads on it, it turns out to be a ghat, and ghat no more remains a Dongar, whereas Dongar is all natural, all beautiful, with the blessing of the divine and Mother Nature itself. So thank you very much for being there. I'm going to go not to the temple at least, because what I'm made to learn right from my young age is when you go to a temple or when you visit to a temple, you always come with your family. And as I am alone, I'm just going to give my namaskara to Goddess Saptashri, and thereafter I'll head towards Nashik and then to home. Thank you. Hello. So finally I have returned home. Yesterday I started and I have totally covered two destinations: A, Saputara; B, Saptashringi, and from there back home. So it is a total journey that I had covered on the road of 582 odd kilometers. These kilometers had only been great learning experiences for me. Although I am physically tired, mentally refreshed and set back for my work on Monday. I want to conclude on this note that sometimes if you feel that you would want to try out a change, you can just plan out a road trip or a train trip or any trip of your choice. Just book a ticket of your choice, be it railway, bus journey, or an airplane, and spend some time with yourself. Solo journeys are the best one. Try it out. I feel that I had a wonderful experience and I wish you the same. A happy journey, a pleasant stay.